Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna go and unbox the blackberry bolt, and that what the box looks like. So let's go to the unboxing. So here's the blackberry itself, and the blackberry logo. So yeah, just gonna put this aside for a minute. USB cable. We have earphones. We're gonna look at it. So here's the earphones, and it has like a blackberry logo at the side, and I think it's really nice. And we have a blackberry case, and so I'm just gonna open it up. And it's made of leather, and it has the blackberry logo. I think that's the charger. So yeah, the charger. And the manual. So tips. So I think that's all the stuff